Hey guys, it's Miss Gross. I wanted to go over the ratios recipe project with you so that you would know what to do. This is the first of our self-paced learning, and so I will be pulling small groups to work with them, but for the most part you're going to be working at your own pace on this. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have your red notebook. Also, make sure that your ratios recipe project rubric is in your notebook. This will be your checklist as you go through on what to do. It's listed what's required and also how many points each thing is worth. We'll go ahead and get started. For Monday, you are going to choose your recipe for your recipe project. The recipe needs to have at least 5 ingredients with at least 3 fractions. So I have a favorite recipe, but it only requires a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, and a cup of milk, and a can of peaches. And so that's not going to be a good recipe for this project. So what I will do is use my recipe that's brownies that has quite a few ingredients and also has fractions. And so if you have one on hand that you love, use that one. Otherwise, just go onto Google and find a recipe. So here's something that you can do. Let's see. Maybe I want to make cookies. So I'm going to go cookies recipe. Ooh, the best chocolate chip cookie ever. Click that. And then you can scroll down. Another thing that you can do to make your life a little easier is click jump to recipe. Here it is. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's several, but there's only 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder. So let's look for another one. And let's do best jump to recipe. All right, here's one. Several different fractions and at least 6 ingredients. So with that, you are good to go. So maybe let's do this one. This might be the one that I need to do. So a couple of things I can do. I can print this or I can screenshot it. And I'm going to screenshot it right here like this. Copy. Go back into my project and paste it in, and then I'm going to paste it so that it looks good. Nope, that's not what I'm going to do. There we go. And then I'm going to put my recipe name and best chocolate chip cookies. And then just for, I think it's going to be better, and I want to ask that all of you do this. If you find it online, I want you to copy the link and then paste the link in here. If you highlight your best chocolate chip cookies and then click this little insert link button and then paste it, Control V, it'll automatically be linked and it'll go to it. It'll make your life easier. Plus, I have all the ingredients here, but I don't have how to make it. So when I go back later and I need to make it, it's there. Then you have how many servings does your recipe make? Well, let's look and see how many servings it makes. It makes 12 cookies, so we're going to say it makes 12 servings. And that's how you do for Monday. Come back to the next video to figure out how to do Tuesday. Have a great day.